What's up everyone, welcome back to Valtronic Designs. Today, we're cranking up the sound on the Porsche 992. We have got the ultimate exhaust configuration for the platform to really make sure your 992 exhaust engagement is maximized. These cars, super potent, but from factory, the exhaust system definitely leaves a lot to be desired. Behind me, we have the newest generation of Valtronic Designs titanium rear muffler section for these cars, which uses the Porsche Sports exhaust button in the car to operate the exhaust valves. Our friends at Keys Motorsports, we highly recommend that you guys grab a valve controller for this as well to pin those valves open all the way, because from factory, the valves do not open fully when you click that exhaust mode. So definitely check that out. Additionally, this exhaust configuration is a free flow rear section design with this wild X pipe that's got tons of cross section to really accentuate those exotic sound characteristics we're trying to draw out of either the 3-liter turbocharged flat 6 in the Carrera 4S like we have behind us, or the 3.8-liter larger displacement motors you find in the Turbo and Turbo S. This setup, you're gonna be seeing it combined with a set of free flow bypass pipes on this 992 behind us, truly cranking up the sound experience. Of course, in the video, startup, revs, flybys, we're gonna do hard accelerations, we're gonna do launch control, we're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and of course, you guys are gonna get to sit next to me, enjoy the in-cabin experience. You know exactly how good your 992 Carrera, Targa, or Turbo is gonna sound with the ultimate exhaust setup. I'm super stoked about this setup. The cross section of this X-pipe really draws that high pitch exotic sound out. Let's get to the sound. inside the 992, guys, listen. This thing now really has that motorsport exotic sound that this car was missing from factory. I'm in the sport mode, the valves are open, I've got the PSE button open. And again, this car does not have a valve controller. You can add like the keys valve controller and pick up another couple decibels of sound. But this is an OEM configuration, bone stock car, no tune, free flow sections, and it has the valve titanium rear section. And it really, the sound quality is just so much improved. I'm really happy with our engineering and our developments with this platform. Listen to how smooth this is. Like the mid-range, 4,000. So much more exciting and intoxicating than the factory configuration. Listen. There's so much depth, I love it. Woo. Much improved, very happy. The cracks. Really nice off-throttle sound as well as the revs come down. And you don't have this exhaust, I don't know, man, you're missing out. But the best part about it, dial the car back into normal mode, the car goes back to being literally bone stock. You could drive this car every day, go to your business meetings, have your wife in the car, pick up the kids and use the actual functional back seats, and do everything you could have ever imagined with this exhaust setup. If you want to make the car loud and run some straight pipes, do it up. But if you want the best sound configuration, bar none, this is it. And as we get into town here, put the car in normal mode, listen, it sounds like there's nothing even happening. I can whisper, it's so quiet. So nice. Even outside, like a little rev, the muffler is quad chambered. It does such a nice job of lowering those sound levels. Sounds like it's bone stock, but really cranks up the experience. I'm gonna stop talking, sit back, relax, and enjoy what I think is the best sounding turbocharged 911 out there. Much improved. Listen, we know the exhaust setup is very expensive. If you want a cheaper setup, you can go buy something else from some other team, but if you want the best sound and an uncompromised experience, don't go anywhere else. All-wheel drive 911. Still slides. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the best sounding Porsche 992 turbocharged variant out there. We know how good the GT3s sound, the previous generation 991.2. You can really make those cars sound very aggressive. These cars, though, are very lackluster. Whether you have a 3-liter turbocharged version like this, Carrera 4S, or you have a 3.8-liter twin turbocharged Turbo or Turbo S, this exhaust configuration really cranks up that experience. If you're looking to get set up with this exhaust, reach out to us via email, via phone call, or on our live chat on our website to get in touch with our team, and we'll get you set up with the best exhaust for you. In the meantime, thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to bringing all the great sound to all the 992s out there. See you in the next one.